Hey.
Dortmund. Dortmund. Oh, if it was not because somebody is telling me calm down, baby, calm down. What I would have done to Dortmund? The whole world was waiting.
You was a fan of.
Don't talk when I'm talking.
I didn't know
I'm angry in spirit.
Of Dortmund.
The whole world was waiting.
For what?
The whole world was expecting.
For what?
The whole world was, Dortmund, you did not watch the football. Dortmund, they have been winning games all this while. Do you know that a friend of mine actually bet his house? just for Dortmund to win at home. If I organize boys in the street, they will beat men. Dortmund, please, just win only one game for us. And you decided to flop. You decided not to win. How can Bayern be winning leagues? How many years? How many of them won? I think about 13 league titles. It's back to back. How many did they win? 10, 12. 12.
I think 12.
Whether 12 or 13. Enough is enough. And that stupid Oliver Kahn. Oh, in fact, do you know that I was the one that called them and told them I don't want to see Oliver Kahn anymore?
I didn't know. But now I know.
If not for Dortmund that was stupid and useless, you know that they would have lost the league. They would have won nothing. How can you sack what's his name? Nagelsmann and bring it to him? Tissue paper. His name sounds like tissue. How can you bring it to her and you take away Nagelsmann? What is it? I don't even know. It's tissue. Leave it. What that took her tissue? How can you bring him to come and coach a team that Nagelsmann was doing well? Nagelsmann has been trying, and then you take Oliver Kahn. You know that plan was Oliver Kahn's plan. And I called them and said, sack him.
Thomas Tissue.
Yes, sack him. The next page they will sack by his tissue. Thomas Tissue, you will be sacked very soon. Don't worry. You are very lucky that Dortmund was stupid. If not, by now Thomas Tissue would have been using you to clean your shit. So Tissue killed them. Very hopeless people. How can you sack a man that has been doing everything, brought in some nice players, and then I've already told them already. I called my next person and I said, leave that club. It's not for you.
But uncle, you know what they say for this matter? It's business, not personal.
It's business.
Yes, not
Do
personal.
you know what I have lost? Sorry, my friend. Do you know what my friend has lost? My friend has lost his house. Do you know that I lost my girlfriend? I actually bet my girlfriend. And not a friend of mine took the girlfriend because my friend said that Bayern will win the league, and I said no. Dortmund that I know at home they can never lose against Mainz. I placed my girlfriend on as a bet. And now I've lost my girlfriend. And you want me to be happy? Dortmund, my God will punish you. Dortmund, my God will fight you. Do you know what is at stake? Come on to win. Just win one match. Hala, miss penalty. You beat cancer, but you cannot beat keeper. You beat cancer, you cannot beat a goalkeeper. Just to score one, but when I was playing football,
Uncle is really pissed though.
When I was playing football, if it was in my days, do you know why I stopped football?
Why?
Because of India game. You have not heard about it. When I was playing for Nigeria national team, and then we played against India. You know that India beat us 99-1. You did not hear about it.
99-1.
99-1. They beat. That was why India was stopped. They were banned from playing football for a long time. It was because of us. And guess who scored the only one goal?
It was you.
Oh, who else? I don't like to brag about it. I was the only one. When I scored that goal, sickness started. That was why I stopped football. So they were using juju to play football with us. That was why when I managed to I had to press in the goal. I wanted to let them know that juju cannot stop me.
Because you was using juju yourself.
Exactly. So after doing that, I had to give up my football career. If not for that, who is Bayern? Who is
Oliver Kahn?
Oliver Kahn. Who is Thomas Tissue? Tissue paper.
Leave that guy alone.
In fact, please off the camera. I don't want to talk anymore. Stupid people.
Stop betting.
You cannot win. Come on,
betting.
Stop betting. Is it your bet?